Hey, what's going on, everybody? It is Selly. Our last post, you saw this brand new Southport 33 getting delivered in here. Well, we're doing a full install on this one. That means it's getting the full Lumishore package. What's that mean? Lumishore underwater lights, Lumishore neon flex, light drivers, down lights, Garmin VHF 315, arid build system, pair of Garmin 10-inch subs, Garmin pair of amps there, Garmin radar. We can't do this without having the rock chargers, of course. So we've got the pad, we've got the active, and we've also got the USB style plug in there. We've got our Luma Tech Razor light right there. We've got our antenna mounts. We've got our FLIR camera. We've got our PepWave right there with the digital antenna for that as well. GSD 25 sonar, on deck hub. We've got our chart cards. So we've got a lot of stuff to cram into this boat. So it's build time. We're going to do another build post, keep you guys up to date daily on what's going on this 33 DC as we progress down the line, and, well, also probably get the reaction from the tech who's got to install all that stuff. Don't think he's going to be happy with me, but it's going to be a cool build and can't wait to get it going. So let's check it out. Give us a follow. As always, stay up to date, latest marine tech trends, builds, all that cool stuff. Give us a follow on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, at Navtronics. You know the deal. Hit the like, subscribe button, all that other fun stuff. And stay tuned. Build's going to be kind of cool.